These 2 ingredients will help you get rid of headaches instantly. Who could have guessed that something so simple and easy can have so many health benefits? Well, by using these 2 ingredients you will relax your body, get rid of headaches instantly, and it will boost your immune system as well. This powerful combo might be strange for you, but if you suffer from insomnia, mixing these 2 ingredients, salt and sugar, can be of a great help. And you shouldn't use these 2 ingredients in large amounts because it can be really harmful for you. So if you mix these 2 simple ingredients, you will enjoy the following health benefits. End of sleeping problems, insomnia, get rid of headaches, boost your immune system. This recipe is very simple and easy to make, and you will need the following ingredients: 1 tablespoon sea salt, 5 tablespoons brown sugar. Note: make sure you follow the ration between salt and sugar 1:5. You need to mix these 2 ingredients and put them in a glass jar. How to use it? You should get a small amount of this mixture and put it under your tongue and let the mixture be dissolved in your mouth. You need to repeat this method every night before you go to sleep. The sodium in sea salt will improve the cellular respiration process, and it's an excellent source of energy for the entire body. We can also say that these 2 ingredients are very useful in fighting and preventing stress and anxiety. As we said, this powerful combo is very simple and easy to make. But you will be amazed by the results. In the morning you will wake up refreshed and full of energy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share with your friends and family. This one simple trick can cure your headache in minutes. It's the one spot nobody knows about. Yes, today is your lucky day. Why? Because in this video we're going to show you how to get rid of headaches instantly. Actually, we're going to show you a couple of simple techniques and method for relieving headaches. But first, I would like to say a few words about headaches. First, you should know that headaches can occur in different areas, so we're going to show you all of those. One of the most common area that they can occur is at the base of the skull. You can try this simple trick on your friend. Just cup her/his head in your hands and find this ridge at the base of her/his skull, which is also known by the name the occiput. You will notice that your fingers will pretty much sink in there, and you can just get a nice pull back. Of course you're going to want to check in with your friend and make sure that they feel comfortable. You will be amazed by the results. Yes, and trust me, this is a nice way to relieve that area. You can also move forward just a little bit. You'll find that there's a couple of little bumps there in front of that ridge. You can do some circular motions on those, or apply deep pressure to that area, and that feels really great as well. So, this is for people who get headaches that are rooted from the back of the head. But, unfortunately, sometimes they'll wrap around to the side and slash, or they'll be in the front here in the temples. And you should also know that this is pretty common as well. A lot of people go and try to rub in this area here, which, it feels okay, but it's not typically where the headache is located. Here's what you need to do. This area is located a little bit higher, and if you just follow your fingers along here, they're going to fall into a little dip. Right above that is a ridge, and that's typically where the spot is. This is very simple. You're just going to go nice and deeply, slow movements, keep your fingers with contact on the scalp the whole time. And be very careful, because you don't want to bounce over that area, especially if there's a headache and it's tender. That will typically help quite a bit. One of the most common part for headaches is the area behind the eyes. So, if it's a sinus headache, you're going to be applying pressure here. You'll want to apply pressure and then let go. You should be very careful, because this is a pretty tender area. You're going to go in just deep enough that you can sort of feel the edge of the eyeball on your finger. They'll be able to guide you in there so you don't go too far. When there's a headache there, you're actually going to feel the inflammation. There's going to be a little knot there that kind of feels like a small pebble. It feels like she's actually got one right there in the right side. So, she probably gets headaches on her right side sometimes. The experts also say that you can just do pressure there and release, pressure there and release. You do the same thing. You go up to the very top of the arch, kind of hook your finger under just a little bit, apply pressure, and let go. Then all the way on the exterior of the eye, like at the end of the eyebrow, apply pressure, and let go. Then you're going to do one final one right there in the center of the forehead, and one nice swoop right around the eyebrows, and a little pull. You should definitely try some of these simple, but extremely effective techniques. You will be amazed by the results.